Hey everyone, are you struggling with SQL syntax errors or need help fixing your SQL queries? Today I'll show you how to quickly fix SQL code using AI2SQL, a powerful tool that helps you identify and correct SQL errors in seconds. Let me demonstrate with a common example. Here's an incorrect SQL query that has several syntax errors. Many developers face common issues like missing join conditions, incorrect group by clauses, and syntax errors in where statements. Now let me show you how AI2SQL helps us fix these problems. All you need to do is paste your problematic query into AI2SQL. The tool instantly analyzes the code, highlights any errors, and provides the correct syntax. The best part? It not only fixes the syntax, but also optimizes your query for better performance. Let's try another real-world example. Watch how quickly AI2SQL transforms this broken code into a working query. See, it's that simple. The tool automatically detects issues and provides the correct SQL syntax. No more struggling with SQL syntax errors or spending hours debugging queries. Whether you're a beginner or experienced developer, AI2SQL helps you write correct SQL code efficiently. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more database development tips. Thanks for watching.